So let's get started by talking about, I just found out I'm a bigot. Now I know on Monday when I said that, some of you raised your eyebrows and were concerned about that. But let's really talk about that. So at each of your tables, I want you to come up with a definition or just a word about being a bigot, or what is bigot all about. Okay, so let's see what some of the words that we came up with that we could associate about being a bigot. Some of them that I heard was wanting your own way, being set or having a mindset as it relates to other people, other races. And we really have to think about that because we have awesome responsibilities in that we manage people every day. And if we're not treating people with consistency, with honesty, with equality, we have no right being managers in our organization. So, what is a bigot? And in what sense could this be true? Everyone is a bigot. My version of that is we have lived in an environment where we've been exposed to many, many things that have created bigotry in how we think or what we do or what we say. Now, some people with less degrees than others, but I think that we really need to take a hard look at this and really examine who we are and what we are doing as it relates to this. So let's talk about diversity. Diversity is an inclusion process of appreciating what individuals bring with different backgrounds to the organization. The process of improving the quality of work by using fair and consistent treatment and providing equal growth opportunity for all associates. Aggressively seeking candidates of differences while still hiring the best candidate for the job. At the end of the day, we want the best candidate for the job. Diversity is inclusion of all employees, no matter what their age, race, gender, ethnicity, sexual orientation, or veteran status. At one point, what we're going to do is we're going to put the key dimensions of diversity up on a board. And I'm going to ask someone in the class to choose one and why they chose that. Then if someone else wants to talk about the same one, we'll do that. Maybe I'll talk a little bit about it, and then we'll move on to the next one. Diversity isn't a legal requirement. It's not affirmative actions or quotas. Having good minority representation. Placing, promoting unqualified candidates. Just valuing diversity. An attempt to change minds. It is a process that influences workplace behavior. Now, you are who you are. You've lived on this earth for as many years as you have, and there are things that we've been exposed to, there's things that we've done, and so maybe it's time to re-examine who we are and what we are. By tapping the potential of all our associates, we can build on their strengths as well as their differences. A positive work environment yields positive results. The goal of the Diversity Council, we want to create an environment. And so what we did, we have representation from all our sectors. They meet 2 or 3 times a year and they take a look at where are we sourcing our people from? How are we evaluating our people? Are we walking the talk as it relates to love them or lose them? By doing that, our vision can be met. And our vision is to provide equal growth opportunity for all associates. Diversity is not about counting heads, it's about making heads